Hello everyone, welcome to sdschessworld and I hope you had a great day. It's time for a chess puzzle, but before going to it, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel for future updates. Now you are done that, let's go for the puzzle. As you can see the board now, this bishop is protecting these two pawns and black king is smothered on h8 square. The ultimate target for black here is to move on g7 and h6 to restrict this pawn for promotion. One wrong move like king to g6 and king to h6 is going to be a stalemate. Like if king goes to h6, this king is smothered and it can't move to only square, that is g7, and it is going to be a stalemate. But there is beautiful 4 move force checkmate is available for white, and I would like to request you to pause video here and go ahead for this puzzle. I hope you have found that move, and if yes, then you are an awesome player, and if not, then that move is pawn to f8 promoting with knight. Now king has only one square to go and it moves to king to g7. Now knight goes to g6 and restricting h8 and f8 square, and this bishop is covering this diagonal, so only possible move here for king is king to f6, and now we promote the pawn with a queen and check. As you can see, this knight is covering e7 square and this bishop is covering this diagonal. Also, this queen is covering this diagonal. King to f5 and queen to e5 with checkmate. Now this queen is covering this whole squares and king is covering this 2 square, also protecting this knight, and it is checkmate. Let's check other possibility. If we promote with the bishop, then it is going to be stalemate because we are covering the square, and if we also tried with queen, then it is also going to be stalemate. We can promote with the rook here. Then king moves to g7, and if we move rook to e8, then king will go back to h8, and it is not going to be possible to stop this draw. After this rook to e8 move, if black did a mistake like king to f6, then we can go ahead for h8, king moves to f5 and queen to e5 with checkmate. But black will never going to do that mistake, so we must promote with knight, and it is going to be a continue like king to g7, knight to g6, king to f6, promotion of queen on h8, king goes to f5 and queen to e5 with checkmate. What we learn from this puzzle? We learn that while promoting, please consider these 4 pieces for the promotion and go for only feasible piece for it. Here promoting with queen is not a good option, but only possible option here, that is promoting with knight. I hope you have liked this puzzle, and if yes, then go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends who like the chess. You can watch my previous videos here, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead, and I will see you in the next video.